Year 1907 when Dr. Melchor Trinidad Villanueva was born at Malabon, Rizal. He raised from a poor family, but despite of their neither income and their family's social status, Melchor Trinidad Villanueva works hard and continues to pursue his study and dreams. With full hard work and dedication, he is the eldest son of Leon de la Cruz Villanueva and Maria Isabel Trinidad. His father worked as a bodeguero cargador in a pharmacy to support his family's needs, while his mother was a fish vendor in the market. Due of their family's social status, he worked hard with perseverance to achieve his dreams. In 1930, their life changed when a tragedy happened to their family. Their house burned to the ground and this greatly affected their living. This tragedy made him to work hard and help his mother to survive. Time went by. Another tragedy he faces. His mother died due to illness. The death of his mother was never easy for him. It caused him to lose hope in pursuing his dreams. Despite of his downfalls, he needs to continue and start again. He continued to study at Philippine Normal School and work as librarian assistant where she met Lourdes. Lourdes is a modest and simple lady, which made her really pleasing and beautiful. Their love story began when Melchor sends love letters to Lourdes as she borrows books from library. The love letter were often inserted in books that she borrows. Melchor continuously courting Lourdes. As time goes by, her feelings finally develop. Because of Melchor's perseverance to win Lourdes and her family's heart and trust, they got married on the 27th day of December, year 1930 at Pasay Church. Melchor continued his career on teaching, where he is first engaged with Bicolanos when he accepted a provincial teaching assignment in Naga City, and he became the acting principal of Camarines Sur National High School. Colegio de Santa Isabel. Southern Luzon College. And Ateneo de Naga. Melchor Villanueva ventured into the education industry using meager funds and with the help of friends. He started a school named Naga Teachers College in a rented vacant residential house along Peña Francia Avenue in Naga City. Melchor Villanueva noticed that there were no teachers' college in Naga, and those who wanted to study to become educators had to go to Manila. As such, higher education was only accessible to the privileged. Couples navigate life's complexities. Their love becomes the guiding force, illuminating the path forward. Melchor's Villanueva tireless endeavors ultimately lead to remarkable achievements, establishing a reputable school, garnering numerous honors, and most importantly, a happy and united family. The Naga Teachers College are now Naga College Foundation Incorporated, a growing school in Camarines Sur that provide a quality, excellent service and truth, founded by Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva.